Analgesics, drugs used to relieve pain, also called painkillers or pain relievers. Anesthetic. An anesthetic is a drug used to induce anesthesia. In other words, to result in a temporary loss of sensation or awareness. Antihelmintic, a group of antiparasitic drugs that expel parasitic worms and other internal parasites from the body by either stunning or killing them and without causing significant damage to the host. Antipyretic, drugs that prevents or reduces fever. Antidotes. An antidote is a drug or chelating substance or a chemical that counteracts or neutralizes the effects of another drug or a poison. Anti-infective. Anti-infectives are the drugs that can either kill an infectious agent or inhibit from spreading. Anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory is the property of a substance or treatment that reduces inflammation or swelling. Anticoagulant. Anticoagulant are medicines that help to prevent blood clots, also called blood thinners. Antihistamines. Antihistamines are a class of drugs commonly used to treat symptoms of allergies. Antacids. Antacids are medicines that counteract or neutralize the acid in your stomach to relieve indigestion and heartburn. Anticonvulsant, type of a drug that is used to prevent or treat seizures or convulsions by controlling abnormal electrical activity in the brain. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are medicines that fight infection caused by bacteria by either killing the bacteria or making it difficult for the bacteria to grow and multiply. Antidiarrheal. An antidiarrheal is a drug that is used to slow down or stop diarrhea, that is, loose stools. Antitussive. Antitussives are medicines that suppress coughing, also known as cough suppressant. Antiasthmatic. An antiasthmatic is any drug that relieves the symptoms of asthma. Androgens, a group of hormones that primarily influence the growth and development of male reproductive system. Antipruritic. An antipruritic drug or substance is one that is used to reduce itching. Antiphlogistic, drugs that counteracts inflammations and fever. Antiseptic. An antiseptic is a chemical agent that slows or stops the growth of microorganisms on external surface of the body and helps to prevent infections. Antifungal or antimycotic, drugs that destroy or prevents the growth of fungi. Antifungal medicines are used to treat fungal infections which most commonly affect your skin, hairs and nails. Antispasmodic, drugs that used to relieve muscle spasm or cramps. Antiemetic. Antiemetic drugs are medications used to treat nausea and vomiting. Antitubercular, a group of drugs used to treat tuberculosis. Antirheumatic, a group of medications best known for treating rheumatoid arthritis. Astringent, a substance that contracts the tissue or canals of the body, thereby diminishing discharges as of mucus or blood. Bronchodilators. Bronchodilators are a type of medications that make breathing easier by relaxing the muscles in the lungs and widening the airways like bronchos. Coagulants, a types of drug that initiate coagulation. Coagulation, also known as clotting, it is the process by which blood changes from a liquid to gel state, forming a blood clot. Carminatives, a drug intended to either prevent formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract or facilitate the expulsion of said gas, thereby combating flatulence. Corticosteroid. Corticosteroids are the drugs used to provide relief for inflamed areas of the body. They lessen swelling, redness, itching, and the allergic reactions. Diaphoretic, a drug that induces perspiration or sweating of a person. Diuretics. Diuretics, also called water pills, are medications designed to increase the amount of water and salt expelled from the body as urine. Emetic, a medicine or other substance which cause vomiting. Oxytocin, drugs accelerating childbirth by stimulating uterine contractions. Expectorant, drugs that thins out phlegm in the lungs and helps to bring it up and out of the airways from lungs, bronchi, and trachea. Emollients. Emollients are moisturizing treatment applied directly to the skin to soothe and hydrate it. Hypnotics. Hypnotic drugs, commonly known as sleeping pills, are a class of psychoactive drugs whose primary function is to induce sleep and to treat insomnia. Hemostatics. Hemostatics are drugs that are administered intravenously during emergencies to reduce hemorrhage, that is, bleeding from a ruptured blood vessels. Hypotensive, drugs that are used for lowering the blood pressure. Hypoglycemic. Hypoglycemic drugs are used to lower the quantity of glucose present in the bloodstream. Inotropes. Inotropes are drugs that tell your heart muscles to beat or contract with more power or less power depending on whether it's positive or negative inotropes. Mydriatics. Mydriatics are a type of medicine that make the pupil of the eye dilate. Myotics, a drug that causes constriction of the pupil of the eye. Sedatives, a drug or medicine that makes you feel calm or want to sleep. Vasodilators, a group of medicines that dilate blood vessels which allow blood to flow more easily. Vasoconstrictor, drugs that make blood vessels tighten to make the space inside smaller, used to raise blood pressure. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.